Welcome to this sheet metal tutorial guys. In this video I will explain you how to model this mobile stand by using the sheet metal tool in SOLIDWORKS. So let's begin. Click on part and click OK. From here select the background to plain white. Now select top plane and click on sketch. From here select the center rectangle tool and make here a rectangle like this. Now select the smart dimensioning tool and specify the length of this line. I am specifying as 480 mm. And after that specify the length of this line as well. This is 100 mm. Then right click here in tabs. Make sure that you have enabled this sheet metal tab. This is the sheet metal tab. When you click here on this base flange, here you need to specify the thickness of this plate. So let me show you how to increase the thickness. This yellow colored material is basically the thickness. I am specifying here as 3 mm the thickness of the plate. Let me show you how to apply any appearance. This is optional. If you want to apply any appearance you like, you can apply from here. Then select this surface and click on sketch. And after that select line tool and make a line like this. Make sure that this is straight. After that select smart dimensioning tool from this line to this line. Here specify the distance. I'm specifying as 160 mm. And now go to sheet metal tool and select this sketched bend. And here you need to select this shorter area. And here specify the angle. I'm specifying here 110 degree. But guys, make sure to select the right area for the sketch bend, which is the shorter area. Then select this face and click on sketch. And again I'm making a line because I want to make another bend. So make here a line. Make sure that this is straight. After that specify the dimension between these two lines. Here I am specifying as 160 mm. And I am going to repeat the same procedure. In sheet metal I am selecting this sketch bend tool. And from here guys we need to select the right fixed area. So I am selecting, this is basically the area we want to select. It will bend like this. And now let me show you if we select the wrong one. If we select this one, this doesn't make any sense. So always select the right area for the sketch bend. Here specify the angle as 130 degree. So it will bend like this. When we check this box from here, and here we have our part. Now select this face and click on sketch. Here I am going to make another bend. So make a straight line like this. And again specify the distance between these two lines. Here I am specifying as 40 mm. And now again go to sheet metal and select this sketched bend tool. And guys, we need to specify the right area, which is this one. And let me show you if we select the wrong area, it will bend. That will make no sense. And here we need to specify the angle. I'm specifying here as 110 degree so that this plate can provide better support to our mobile phone. And now we need to make some cuts. So I'm selecting this back surface and click on sketch. And now select center line and make a center line like this on the yellow dots that are the center points. And then I'm selecting this straight slot and make a slot like this. Now let's define it. For that select smart dimensioning tool. The radius of this slot is 10 mm. The length of this line is, I'm keeping it as 105. And from this line to the center point of this slot, I'm specifying the distance as 120. And here we have the slot which I will cut. So for that go to features and select extruded cut. And since we want to cut it like this, so I am specifying here up to surface. So select here up to surface, and we need to select this surface so that it can cut like this. We do not have to define any dimension for this cut, just select up to surface and cut this like this. And now I'm going to make some post for the phone. So select this face and click on sketch, and from here select a center line, and from these two yellow dots which are the midpoints, I'm making here a straight center line. And after that, trace this center line and make here a dot. I will show you the purpose of it. Select here a slot and make a slot like this, and this slot has a center point as well. Hold the control key, select these 2 points and make relation as coincident. Okay, so this is basically the purpose of this dot, that our slot can be centered at the center point of the center line. And here specify the radius and the length of this line I have specified. And now I am going to make another center line because I want to mirror the same slot onto the other side. So make a center line and then select this mirror entities. In this window I am selecting this slot, and in this mirror about window I am selecting this center line so that it can mirror like this. And also our sketch is fully defined, as you can see from here. And then go to features and select extruded boss base, and here I am going to define the direction first. So this is the right direction, and here I am specifying 2 mm for the post that will basically support our phone. And now we are left with the cuts which are at the bottom. So select the bottom surface and click on sketch. From here make a center line. This is the yellow dot and this is the yellow dot. This is basically the center point of this surface, and make another center line like this. Now let's specify the distance between these two lines as 35 mm. And again guys, I am making a dot here so that I can center my slot at the midpoint of this line. Make a slot like this guys, and now let's define it. Hold the control key and select these two center points, and here make relation as coincident. Now this slot is centered at this center line. And here define the radius of this. I'm defining is 7 millimeter, and define the length of this line 55 millimeter. And now I want to mirror the same thing on to the other side. For that I'm selecting here mirror entities. In entities to mirror window I am selecting this slot, and mirror about window I am selecting this center line so that it can mirror like this. Sketch is fully defined, and now we can extrude cut it. And here you can use up to next or any other feature blind. I'm selecting here up to next because this is quick tool. And here we have our mobile stand. So if you find this video helpful guys, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.